find the product of factors. Find the product of factors for n equivalent to 420 which are not multiples of 42. Not multiples of 42. Find the product of factors for n equivalent to 420 which are not multiples of 42. Which are not multiples of 42. Which are not multiples of 42. Ram, we have discussed product of factors is number power number of factors by 2. Solution. Pn is nothing but pk into pk bar. Pk bar is nothing but pn by pk. Pn by pk. Pk bar is pn by pk. Not multiples of 42 is nothing but product of the factors by product of the factors which are multiples of 42. So 42 is nothing but 42 into 10. 42 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 5, which is 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. This is the number. 4 into 3, 12, 12 5s are 60, 67s are 42. So Pn is nothing but number of factors by 2. 420 power number of factors is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 2. So this is nothing but 420 power 12. We got for Pn. If we get it for P42, then the answer is over. Find the product of factors for 420 which are not multiples of 42. Not multiples of 42. For 42, let us do it for P42. Till here only Pn we found it out. If we do Pk, then we will be able to solve the question. P42. Now see here. How to do for P42? 420 is 42 into 10. It is 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. P42 we require, which is nothing but 42k. 42k is nothing but 2 into 3 into 7. It is taken out. Remaining is 2 power 1. Remaining is 5 power 1. How many factors are there for this number? 2 into 2, 4 factors are there. If 4 factors are there, what will be that 4 factors? 42a1, 42a2, 42a3 and 42a4. 42a4. What is the product of the factors which are multiples of 42? 42, 42, 42. 4 times into a1 into a2 into a3 into a4, which is 42 power 4. From where you got these product of factors? For this number, 2 into 5 power 4 by 2. So answer is nothing but Pn by P42. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. You can reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Extremely important topic, next one. Everybody should listen to it carefully. Next one, sir. Pn by P42. I hope the logic is clear. I will repeat what are all the problems that we discussed. We discussed sum of the factors. Then we discussed sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Then we discussed Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. Sum of the factors which are not multiples of k. We also discussed what is a perfect number. Then we discussed product of factors. Product of factors. Product of factors. Then we discussed product of factors which are multiples of k, product of factors which are not multiples of k. Sn is sk plus sk bar. Pn is pk into pk bar. Pn equivalent to pk into pk bar. Now we will, very important concept, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Next one, please write down, key point 8, very important, sir. Key point 8. Key point 8. Anything that you type in the live chat other than the doubt and whether it is cleared or not, I will watch it for the first time. Second time, I will not even hesitate to block you from my channel. I have zero hesitation in that one. Right? Key point number 8. Please put it as very important concept. Extremely important concept. Very important concept. Key point 8. Key point 8. Now please write down. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. A. Ordered pair. Write it as it is, sir. Ordered pair. What do you mean by ordered pair? A comma B and B comma A both are different. A comma B and B comma A both are different. When to use ordered pair? If variables are present in the question. If variables are present in the question. If variables are present in the question, please make use of ordered pair. If variables are present in the question, make use of ordered pair. Now, odd example. 12 is there. 12 is 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Reverse is also allowed. Reverse is also allowed. A into B is different from B into A. A into B is different from B into A. 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. Total 6 cases we got. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. Number of factors is nothing but 6. 3 2s are 6. How many ways I got? I also got 6 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ways I got? 6 ways. Extremely important point. Number of ways. I think I will do one more example once you make a note of it. Once you make a note of it, then I will do one more example. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. As a product of two factors in ordered pair. In ordered pair. in ordered pair. What is ordered pair? The order in which you write the numerical values matter. If variables are present in the question, I will make use of ordered pair. Reverse is also allowed in ordered pair. Ordered pair. Answer is nothing but number of factors. Number of ways. I will do one more question so that you will not. Let me do one more example here, because in an unordered pair we will differentiate it. We will differentiate it. Now see here, sir. Let me do for 36 also. 36 is 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. 4 into 9 reverse is 9 into 4. These reverse is 12 into 3. These reverse is 18 into 2. These reverse is 36 into 1. 36 is 2 square into 3 square. 36 is 2 square into 3 square. How many cases we got here? One case, second case, third case, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth case. Again I got 9 here. Again I got 9 here. Very, very important point. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors in ordered pair. In ordered pair is nothing but total number of factors. Total number of factors. Please write down this. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? As a product of two factors, answer is number of factors. Answer is number of factors. Answer is number of factors. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors, it is nothing but a number of factors. Examples. Examples. First example. Examples. Two examples, it should be clear to you. X into y equivalent to 120. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? X into y is 120. How xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? First thing, variables are present in the question. If variables are present in the question, then this is nothing but an ordered pair. In ordered pair, in how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? It is nothing but number of factors. It is nothing but number of factors. 120 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 into 5. 2 cube into 3 into 5. Number of factors is nothing but 2 cube is 4 ways, 3 power 1 2 ways, these also 2 ways. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? As a product of two factors, if variables are present in the question, then it is nothing but ordered pair. Why? Because this can be 1 into 120. This can also be 120 into 1. 120 into 1. If variables are present in the question, if variables are present in the question, then it is an ordered pair. In ordered pair, number of ways of writing the number as a product of two factors is nothing but number of factors. Is nothing but number of factors. Second question, x into y equivalent to 2 power 6 into 3 power 4 into 5 cube. xy are natural numbers. xy are natural numbers. how many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? Step number 1, x and y are variables. If variables are present in the question, then it is an ordered pair. In an ordered pair, it is a number of factors. 2 power 6 is 7, 3 power 4 is 5, 5 power 3 is 4. 35 fours are, answer is nothing but 140. 7 5s are 35, 35 fours are 140. 35 fours are 140. I hope the idea is clear. If the variables are present in the question, then it is an ordered pair. In ordered pair, it is number of factors. I hope, Rakesh, it is clear to you. The answer is number of factors. Next, one more concept. Please write down. One more concept. Unordered pair we will see. If time permits, we will take an example. Otherwise, tomorrow we will take an example. Unordered pair. Please write down. Case 1. Number is a non-perfect square. Case 1. Number is a non-perfect square. Case 2. Number is a perfect square. Number is a non-perfect square and number is a perfect square. What do you mean by unordered pair? X comma y is equivalent to y comma x. X comma y is equivalent to y comma x. That means reverse is not possible. When to use unordered pair? If variables are not present in the question, then I will use unordered pair. If variables are not present in the question, then I will use unordered pair. I will do some examples. Let me explain this. Case number 1 and case number 2. Suppose if I take n value 12. 12 can be written as 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Reverse is 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. In an unordered pair, reverse is not possible. All the 3 are eliminated. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. Totally how many cases we got? 3 into 2, 6 cases we got. Half of them are eliminated. So in an unordered pair, if a number is a non-perfect square, what will be the answer? Number of factors by 2. 12 is 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. Reverse. 12 into 1, 6 into 2, 4 into 3. All 3 are eliminated. Half of them are eliminated. So answer is number of factors by 2. When is this concept used? When it is a non-perfect square. This concept is used. Now, if it is a perfect square, if this is a perfect square, 36 is 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Reverse cannot be taken. 36 is 2 square into 3 square. 36 is 2 square into 3 square. Totally 9 cases are there. These 4 reverse is taken out. So this is nothing but number of factors plus 1 by 2. If I include root n into root n. if I include root n into root n. Why it is a number of factors plus 1 by 2? 36 is 2 square into 3 square. 2 square into 3 square is total 9 cases I got. 1 into 36, 36 into 1. 2 into 18, 18 into 2. 3 into 12, 12 into 3. 4 into 9, 9 into 4. Reverse 4 all eliminated, which is root n into root n included. What is root n? Root 36 is 6. Root 36 is 6. Root n into root n included. In a new slide, I will explain it very differently. Root n into root n is included. When to use which concept? In the next slide, I will explain. Whatever logics that I am telling you, in one book, neatly in this order, explaining you what to use, where to use, when to use, how to use, you will not find it. Watch one video of mine of my YouTube live class. After watching, compare it with any other YouTube channels. Here there are problems and solutions. Here there are concepts and explanations. Here there are formulae based things. Here there are logic behind the formulae. Here they will tell you generic way of learning. Here I will tell you let's go the other way of learning. Here it is Maculae education system. Here it is Finland education system. Here it is memory based explanation. Here it is knowledge, understanding and application based explanation. Right? I hope it is clear. Now, please write down, sir. This table is important. Then we will discuss some problems. Table. In an unordered pair. In an unordered pair. In an unordered pair. Just give me 1 minute, sir. In an unordered pair. In an unordered pair, there are 3 cases. Listen carefully, sir. There are 3 cases. I told 2 cases in a non-perfect square. In a non-perfect square, it is number of factors divided by 2. In a perfect square, if root n into root n included, it is number of factors plus 1 by 2. In a perfect square, if root n into root n excluded, if I exclude it, it is number of factors minus 1 by 2. Please make a note of this. In an unordered pair, if it is a non-perfect square, it is a number of factors by 2. Right? Now, sir, when to use which concept? If distinct word is given, use this concept. If distinct word is not given, use this concept for a perfect square. If a distinct word is given, use this concept. Non-distinct word is given. If distinct word is not given, in bracket we will write. Only with examples we will understand. This looks like a theory, right? When to use unordered pair? If variables are not present in the question. If variables are not present in the question, I will use unordered pair. Variables are not present in the question, right? It is an unordered pair. Right? Now, examples. Please write down examples. 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 First one. In how many ways? In how many ways can 120 be written? In how many ways can 120 be written as a product of two factors? In how many ways can 120 be written? There is no difference, there is nothing like Prashant, because perfect square will always give you odd number of factors. Perfect cube can give, odd number can give, right? Suppose even number, it all depends. 2 power 3 will give you 4, 4 is an even number. 3 power 6 will give you 7, 7 is an odd number. So there is no particular pattern for a perfect cube. But anyways, very good question you have asked. In how many ways can 120 be written as a product of two factors? Variables are not present in a question. Variables are not present in the question. If variables are not present in the question, it is an unordered pair. It is an unordered pair. In an unordered pair, the number which is given is 120. 120 is a non-perfect square. 120 is a non-perfect square. So what will be the answer? Answer is number of factors whole divided by 2. Number of factors whole divided by 2. 120 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 into 5. 8 into 15 is 120. So this is 4 into 2 into 2 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8. Answer for the first question is right, 8. 4 into 2 into 2 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8. If the variables are not present in the question, if the variables are not present in the question, then it is an unordered pair. In an unordered pair and the number is a non-perfect square, answer is number of factors divided by 2. Number of factors divided by 2. Number of factors divided by 2. Divided by 2. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat. There are 2 more examples. Now, I want to ask all the viewers, it will take another minimum 30 minutes to complete a topic. How many are willing to stay and listen more? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Ram Babu. Just check it out. Please reply. Please reply. How many are willing to continue for another half an hour? I want maximum number of students to reply. Tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock also we got a class. From March 30, we are taking continuous classes. Mark my words, in another 15 to 30 days, if every day if I take 6 classes, you can see a tremendous improvement in the way that you look at aptitude. Now, we will continue with 2 more. Examples. This is a non-perfect square. Next one. In how many ways can 144 be written? In how many ways can 144 be written as a product of two distinct factors? In how many ways can 144 be written as a product of two distinct factors? Two distinct, that means You cannot write 144 as 12 into 12. 12 into 12 is not distinct. 12 into 12 is not distinct. In how many ways can 144 be written as a product of two distinct factors? Step number 1. Variables are not present in the question. Variables are not present in the question. If variables are not present in the question, it is an unordered pair. It is an unordered pair. In an unordered pair, and that too 144 is a perfect square. Hints are there in the question. 144 is a perfect square. 144 is a perfect square. Right? Now answer is number of, we are confused whether to take distinct plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Distinct means number of factors minus 1 by 2. 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. So this is nothing but 15 minus 1, 14, 14 by 2, 7. Right? 5 into 3, 15, 15 minus 1, 14, 14 by 2, 7. Yes, Naveen, we are extending the class. Right? 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. Now, next 6 to 7 problems. Listen very carefully. Extremely important problems. Please write down. Sum of factors, reciprocal of factors, multiples of k, not multiples of k, product of factors, multiples of k, product of factors, not multiples of k. 7 are over. Then we discussed ordered pair, unordered pair, perfect square, not perfect square. Key point 10.